Everyone, today we'll start with the fourth module, that is trees. So in our this PPT we'll understand about the introduction, that is the basics about the trees. Okay, basics about the trees, what exactly the trees are in data structure. So coming to the definition, a tree is a non-linear data structure. A tree is a non-linear data structure. So what do you mean by non-linear? Okay, which is nothing but it's a not in a continuous fashion. Okay, not in a continuous fashion. Not in a continuous fashion. Okay, or not sequential. Not sequential. Tree is a non-linear data structure compared to arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues, which are linear data structures. Okay, a tree can be empty with no nodes, or a tree is a structure consisting of one node called the root and zero or one or more subtrees. So, example of trees, students. So, this is a tree. Now, this is a tree. Okay, this is a tree. Or another example: A, B, C. Okay, now this is also a tree. So this is non-linear. This is non-linear. Okay, why it is non-linear? Okay, because we can see a different branch from A to C and A to B. So this is also a non-linear. Okay, because two separate branches. Okay, two separate branches. Yes. So what is A now? A is a node. B is a node. Okay, it's a root node. This is a tree with no child, tree with no child. Okay, yes. Now what is a linear data structure? What example for linear data structure? Linear data structure. Okay, yes. So this is an array. This is an array. Okay, so continuous fashion. Continuous fashion. Correct. So we have index here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is 0. Okay. So our numbers are showed here continuous fashion. So this is an array which is stored in continuous fashion, linear data structure. One more example, linked list. So this is a linked list. Linked list, which is again a linear. Why it is linear? Because it is also continuous. It's a one node. Okay, one node, then it is going to another node. So there are no separate different branches. There are no separate different branches. Okay, whereas tree is not like that. Example of a tree. So this is a tree, okay, which is having different branches, okay. So the A is a root node. Okay, and B, C, D are the childrens of A. B, C, D are the childrens of A, which is the root node. Okay, so let us understand in detail about the tree after we go through the definition. So let us understand the important terminologies related to trees. So the first basic thing is nothing but a node. What is a node? A node is a structure. A node is a structure which may contain a value or condition or represent a separate data structure. which could be a tree of its own. Each node in a tree has 0 or more child nodes which are below it in the tree. By convention, trees are drawn growing downwards. Now students, an example of a node. A is a node. A is a node. A is a node. And it is always grows downwards. Always grows downwards. Grows or branches downwards. Okay, so this is a ABC. What are these? These are the child nodes. These are the child nodes of A. Yes. Next, what is a root node? What is a root node? A node at the top of the tree is called root. Okay, top of the tree is called root. So there is only one root per tree and one path from the root node to any other node. So here A is a root node. A is a root node. So A is a root node. What is the degree? A degree of a tree is the total number of its children. Total number of childrens. Here. Okay. What is the degree of A? Degree of A is 2 because it has two childrens. It has two childrens. Okay. So let us understand the remaining terminologies. Now what is a leaf? What is a leaf? Okay. Yes. So let me draw one more here. Okay. Yes. Now here C and D are leaves. C and D are leaves. Why they are leaves? Because no children. They don't have any child. No child. Then next one, non-terminals. Any node except the root node whose degree is not 0 is called as a non-terminal node. So here B is a non-terminal. B is a non-terminal. B is a non-terminal. Why? Because degree is not 0, not a root and leaf. Not a root and leaf. That is why B is a non-terminal. What is the children? Okay. So children C, D, B. Okay. So C, comma D are childrens of C, comma D are childrens of C, comma D are children of B. Okay, what is a grandparent? A is a A is a grandparent of A is a grandparent of C and D. A is a grandparent of C and D. Siblings. Okay, C, comma D are siblings. Siblings. Why are they called as siblings? Because they branch from branch or children of same parent. They are the children of same parent. Okay. Yes, so these are the terminologies. Next, degree of a tree. What is the degree of a tree? The maximum of degree of the nodes in the tree. Okay, so for example here, so what is the degree of this tree? So degree of this tree is 2. So maximum is 2. So degree of this tree is 2. Because maximum degree is 2. Max degree is 2. Is 2. Okay. Yes. Ancestor. These are all the nodes along the path from the root to that node. Okay. Yes. So if I draw one more branch here, one more branch here. Yes. And what is ancestor of C? Ancestor of C is B and A. B and A. Okay. Yes. So next we'll discuss about the height. Height before height level. Yes. What is the level? Okay. So always we have seen that level starts from 0. Okay. So if level of A is 0, then level of 1 is B is 1 and level of C is 2. So what are the 0, 1 and 2? These are nothing but levels. These are levels. Okay. And what is height? Okay. Height. Then height, students, height of the tree is 4. Height is height of tree is 4. Height of tree is not 4, it is 3, sorry. Height of tree is 3. Height of tree is 3. So this is about the basics. So let us understand one more with one more example in a worksheet for a tree given. Okay, so let us draw our tree here. So we have in this example 13 nodes. So we have 13 nodes from A to M. From A to M. A is the A is the root node. A is the root node. And degree of A is 3. Degree of A is 3. Even the degree of the tree is also 3. Degree of the tree. And which are the leaf nodes here? Leaf nodes are K L. Okay, let us put it inside the bracket. K L F G M I J. These are the leaves. K L F G M I J are the leaves. Which are the non-terminals here? Non-terminals are B, C, D, E, H, I, J. B, C, D, H, I, J. Okay. So why these are the non-terminals? Because B, C, D. Okay. So they are in the middle. So that is why they are the non-terminal. Even E is in the middle here. Even they are the non-terminals. Even H. Okay. I and J are not the non-terminals because I and J doesn't have any parent. Sorry, they don't have any children. So I and J, so these are the non-terminal. That's all. Okay, B, C, D, E, H are the non-terminals. B, C, D, E, H are the non-terminals. Next, which are the siblings here? Here the siblings are E, F. Okay, are siblings of E, F are siblings of B. Similarly, we have Hij siblings of Hij are the sibling of D. No, Hij are the siblings. Okay, they are the parent. So it's not like that. 1 second. They are the siblings. Okay, our siblings. Hij are siblings. Similarly, we also have BCD are the siblings. BCD are siblings. Okay. Yes. Next one. Here B is the B is the grandparent. B is the grandparent of K. B is the grandparent of K. One more example. D is the grandparent of D is the grandparent of M. D is the grandparent of M. Yes. Then what are the ancestors of M? Ancestors of M are A, D and H. Ancestors of M are A, D and H. What is the height? Height is 4. Height of about tree is 4. Okay, because level always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Total height is 4. Okay, so level of A is 0, because level starts from 0, so we need to put it as 0. Similarly, B, C, D levels are 1. Okay, so that is how it goes. So this is our worksheet, or worksheet about the tree. Yes, so thank you, students. We only have this much from this slide.